control, but you come back whenever the wind blow. And you got motives I need to know. Well, it's the third time that you wanted more, yeah. I don't want it, but gotta forget about you. Everything that we do, you go announcing. I'm here when you want me, now I won't allow it. Expecting me to get down and start bowing. Can't read your mind, just say it. It's like when you cry in the rain. Well, I can't tell how you feel, girl, and I don't know why you're here, girl, but you gotta hear first. My commitment isn't a gift that just gets given when you want it. I'm searching for who deserves it, and won't stop until I found it. But if sleeping home alone means I'm on my way, then you and I should call it a day.
Forget it meant hard to fold on. Put these cards out on the table. That's the best that a man should know. Thought I had chance, but I read it wrong. You found what's best. Dates, clubs, and diamonds. And so it'll, I guess, in due time, my friend.
We crossed that bridge a long time ago. So why the fuck did you return to burn it? Our destination's in the same direction, but you're the one who keeps on turning, baby. They were always saying good for them, through the thick and the thin, but they spoke too early. Don't renew a book you've already read. It brings nothing but hurting. Try to see through bullshit and take in good things, but you left me with memories of what we could have been. The clock moves faster, our time moves backwards. Wind up waiting on a beautiful disaster, but your sugar and spice, it had me enticed. But now I'm losing my mind, why the better alive? Of course I got feelings for my past couple exes, but my life's on the highway and they're missed exes.
Forget it meant hard to fold on. Put these cards out on the table. That's the best that a man should know. Thought I had chance, but I read it wrong. You found what's best. Dates, clubs, and diamonds. And so it'll, I guess, in due time, my friend. I can't lie, I thought it wouldn't be so bad, but I try to keep you in my life. 'Cause this is really all I had to say. Again, I wish you would really love me back again, like you once did.